channel. So today's video is going to be a full coverage makeup tutorial, full coverage foundation makeup tutorial. But before I get started and before I get into the video, I need you guys to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video, and let's get into the video. So you guys, I've been using this IL MAKIAGE or IL MAKIAGE, I don't know how you say it, but this is my second time using it, and it does pretty good coverage. This is Woke Up Like This in the color 220. So yeah, I'm gonna put 2 pumps, and we're just gonna start on this side, and I'm just gonna pat it. It smells like shampoo. Y'all, I forgot to put on primer. Dang it. I don't know if you guys can see the difference between this side, my acne covered side. Look how bad my face is right now. And then this side. So I like it. So we're gonna do the other side. And we're just gonna add it on the nose. You guys think it matches me? I think it matches. It takes a minute for me to like figure out my color sometimes, because sometimes I need like a super like dark color, because sometimes I feel like I have like a red undertone, and sometimes I feel like I have a yellow undertone. I really don't know, to be honest, but I think I'm doing a good job. Let me know in the comments if this is the right shade, or should I choose something else? Okay, so I'm real satisfied with the coverage that I have right now. this is my full foundation routine. I hope you guys like it. It's very powdery. Okay, maybe I will spray. Let's just spray. It's very powdery. So we spray, and yeah, that's normal what I wear. Full foundation, we get the eyes going, and yeah, hope you guys like it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.